Hello all. Today I will try to show you how to use a titrator for determining of water in the sample of fish fat. I will use such a smart device which is called automatic titrator. Look, here in front of me you can see the titration vessel in which you can observe this green double platinum electrode and a tip of dosing unit. In this bottle there is a Karl Fischer reagent for titration. This is a dosing unit for 10 milliliters. Here in this bottle there is a solvent, and back to this bottle there is a waste bottle. So, first of all, I will fill the vessel by solvent by pressing this button. Yes, this is enough. Next, I upload the new method for detection, print this, begin conditioning. While device is conditioning, I will weigh this syringe. In this syringe there is a sample of fat. It's a fish fat. So tare. Now look, the condition is okay, and we start procedure, start measurement. I press the button. Device gives me several seconds to introduce the sample. I am doing it. The last drop of oil I pull inside the syringe to avoid and incorrect results. After this, I weigh again syringe. So 1.1646 grams. Introduce the correct mass of the sample. 1645. Press OK and start measurement. Look, you can see the correct percentage of water in the sample of fish fat, 0.11%. Volume of titrant which was used for detection is equal 0.228 milliliters. I can see the graph of titration. You can see titration curve. Equivalence point details the volume which was used, their time, the temperature, and some other features. So I can press stop and empty the vessel. Sorry, mistake. Now titration was finished. This is a best, quick and reliable method for detection not only water, even other compounds such as ions macromolecules, some amino acids, and so on. Thank you very much. Goodbye.